In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels remix sequence option not showing. So first of all, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, then check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app, and if your app is already up to date, then let's go to Instagram. Go to the Reel section, and right above this music icon there are two horizontal lines. Click on it. Previously there used to be remix and sequence option right here, but now it has been replaced with about this reel. So what you can do is go back to the reel. Now click on this music icon, and in most cases right above the name of this music you will find the remix button and you can access it from there. But in my case even that is missing. So what I can do is try to delete Instagram, uninstall it, and then install it again. I can try restarting my device and it should start working. One more thing that you can do is go to settings. Scroll down until you find apps. Click on app management. Search for Instagram. Click on Instagram. Then go to storage uses. Here you will see clear data and clear cache written in bright red. Make sure you click on clear cache and try relaunching Instagram. And if it is still not working, this is the last resort. Go to Instagram, click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then click on these three lines in the top right corner. Scroll till the end until you find help. Click on it. Then click on report a problem. Then go to report problem without shaking. Press include and continue. Here write this. Hello Instagram support team, my Instagram account is not showing remix and sequence option. I have updated my app to the latest version, tried clearing cache and reinstalling Instagram, but it is still missing. Please fix it as soon as possible, thank you. Then click send and wait for 24 to 48 hours and your problem will be fixed now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.